Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into whether the Realme Narzo 75G is the best budget phone of 2024. Spoiler alert, it just might be. First up, let's talk about design. The Narzo 75G comes with a sleek and modern look, packing a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. It feels premium despite its budget price. And for all you binge watchers, the display quality is a winner. Now, on to performance. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset. Yeah, it's not flagship level, but for under $200 it's impressive. Multitasking, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, this device handles it smoothly. Battery life? It's got a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day and even more with moderate use. Plus, it supports 18W fast charging. So you won't be stuck waiting forever to juice up your phone. Camera enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The Narzo 75G sports a triple camera setup with a 48MP primary sensor. It captures decent photos in good lighting. Low light performance is okay, but hey, it's a budget phone. Selfies are pretty solid too with its 8MP front camera. One of the biggest selling points, 5G connectivity. Future-proofing your device at this price point is a big win. So what's the catch? Well, the MIUI software might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's customizable if you're into tweaking settings. To wrap it up, the Realme Narzo 75G offers a premium feel, solid performance, and future-ready features. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable phone, this might just be your best bet for 2024. That's it for today. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next